Namaskar students. In PRBT we started Unit 5 Petrochemicals. We complete introduction. Then we started 7 compounds in which we completed about methanol. Now today we are going to discuss about formaldehyde. C1 compound, formaldehyde. It is also known as methanol. The formula is HCHO and molecular weight 30. Melting point -11 19 degrees centigrade. Sorry, okay, almost -11 18 or 19 degrees centigrade. Boiling point -19 degree Celsius. Smell pungent type smell. Odorless gas. Density 815 kg per meter cube. Solubility soluble in alcohol, acetone and solvents. Slightly soluble in hydrocarbons and chloroform and ethers. Okay. Explosive limit. Explosivity lower 7% volume in air, upper 73% volume in air. Okay, got it? This is the properties of formaldehyde. Now the methods of production. Two methods are used to produce formaldehyde or methanol. First one is oxidation, and it is called dehydrogenation of methanol. Second one is oxidation of methane. Or LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. In our syllabus, first one we are going to study. Okay, oxidation of methanol or dehydrogenation of methanol. What are the raw materials? Raw materials for the process. First one, methanol, 99.9% purity. Then air, silver or copper or their oxides as a catalyst. and last one is power. So these are the basic raw material for formaldehyde production. Now what are the chemical reaction? The chemical reaction, first one is oxidation. Methanol plus 1/2 O2. It gives formaldehyde plus H2O. This is exothermic reaction. And then second reaction, pyrolysis. That is decomposition of material. What is pyrolysis? Decomposition of material. That is methanol. It gives HCHO plus, so આવશે HCHO and શું વધશે અહીંયાથી 1H 1H H2. This is endothermic reaction. We have to provide heat or energy for completion of reaction, and during the formaldehyde production one side reaction is there, which is complete combustion of methanol. So side reaction side reaction. What is reaction? CH3OH plus 3/2O2. It gives H2O plus CO2. Okay, so you can balance the reaction. H2 here, 3 plus 1 4, so 2H2O, and O 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, sorry, 2 and 2 2 4, 1 and 3 4. Okay, so this is side reaction. Okay, now let's discuss the flow sheet of formaldehyde. The basic raw material of formaldehyde is methanol, and we have to oxidize it, means oxidation of methanol takes place and formaldehyde is formed. Okay, so basic step, first we have to draw methanol evaporator, in which methanol we have to fed. Then compressed air, non-purified air, compressed about 0.2 atm gauge, is preheated by product gases. Preheated by product gases. Then the mixer is sent to a reactor. This is the reactor, catalytic reactor. Okay, temperature is maintained in the reactor is around 450 to 600 degree Celsius. Now then the product gases are then sent to a here endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction both are takes place, and the catalyst copper or their oxides are used. Copper or their oxides are used as a catalyst. Catalyst activity is controlled by exothermic and endothermic reaction of methanol. Then the product gases are preheated and sent to a water scrubber. For vent gases is here, it is called light and stripper. Okay, we have to give a product gas is sent to a light and scrubber. In scrubber, external circulation of water is required and the vent gases are removed. Then separation of formaldehyde from methanol. Unconverted methanol vapor is there. So from here we are sending our product gases into a alcohol stripper, from where methanol vapor, or it is called unconverted methanol, around 15% methanol vapor recycled and sent back here. Methanol vapor from here sent back to methanol evaporator. Okay, here catalyst copper or maybe a silver catalyst is also used. Okay, so at the end of the column from bottom, formaldehyde around 85 to 90% yield by weight is removed and methanol vapor is recycled back to the process. Okay, got it? Now let's discuss about the major engineering problem. Here we have to use like this. Major engineering problems, MEP of formaldehyde, 2 MEP is there. First, methanol conversion, that is specific catalysis. Okay, in this process the catalyst used is silver or copper. It gives methanol to be recycled, but by using molybdenum, vanadium and or Fe or their oxides gives greater than 90% yield with no methanol recycle. This is the advantages of catalysis. Okay, and second thing is high volume ratios of air to methanol are used when only oxidation is there, high volume ratio of air to methanol, when oxidation is favored and heat in tubular reactor, heat in tubular reactor is controlled by oil recirculation. These are the first problem of methanol conversion. The second problem is choice of space velocity. Choice of space velocity. A balance between high space velocity and low space velocity is maintained because of CO and CO2 conversions. So, low space velocity gives a combustion CO plus CO2 and high space velocity gives low conversion. So compromise is there. So we have to compromise between these and almost 4 to 5% CO plus CO2 production. To compromise finds 4 to 5% CO and CO2 production in the reactor tail gas. If low space velocity is there, so CO plus CO2 conversion is more, and high space velocity, then low conversion is there. So we have to optimize or compromise between these two. Okay, so after compromising, we got 4 to 5% CO plus CO2 production in reactor tail gas. Okay, these are the two MEPs of formaldehyde. Now, the products of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is used as a molding, coating for laminates and molding purpose, for sheet molding purpose, etc. Textiles, adhesives. But the basic products of formaldehyde is urea resins, polyacrylates, and phenolic resins. These are the basic products of formaldehyde. Now the manufacturing companies, which companies manufacturing formaldehyde? So first one is Sibatul Limited. Sibatul Limited, that is situated in Valsad. Okay. Then Kanoria Chemicals, Ankleshwar. Then Assam. In Assam, Assam Petrochemicals Limited. Assam Petrochemicals Limited. Assam's Aegis Chemical and Industries Limited. Aegis Chemicals and Industry Limited, FAPI. These are the companies used. These companies produce formaldehyde. Okay, got it? See you in next lecture.